Hi guys, I'm Kara. Today I'm going to be showing you what's inside of my Olive & June Into You box. This is their new box from this summer, and it comes with all the tools that you need to do a manicure at home, as well as 7 new really fun colors. So let's get into the box. So it comes with a bunch of tools that basically you can use to do your manicure at home. I really like all of the tools. Some of them are not my favorite to use, but let's get into it and I'll explain. So this is the cleanup brush, and it comes in this little protective case, which I really like. Here is the brush. It comes with a pretty sturdy pointy tip, which is really great for cleaning and also for doing nail art. And then of course it's a cute branded like plastic handle right there. So really big fan of this cleanup brush. Next is the buffer. This buffer I think is a little bit gritty. I really like using it for like this, using the skin, or to get rid of the skin on the bottom of my nails. So as you can kind of see on the screen over here, I'll just use like the very corner and do the very bottom of my nails. Okay, next is the limited edition Poppy. This is a really pretty color. It's actually a tool that you can use where, actually I have a polish right here. You can take off the top from the polish and put the Poppy on, and it's like an ergonomic way to paint your nails. So this is what they look like together. The next item that comes in the bag is the top coat, and this actually goes with the polishes. They work together to be a long-lasting pair and keep the polish on your nails for a pretty long amount of time. Then we have a file. So I actually really like this side. I think that it does such a good job of filing your nails like super quickly. It's like a pretty medium grit, so it's really great at filing your nails and shaping them really well. This side is a little bit tougher, and I don't really like to use it because I think it's a little bit too tough. We have a nail file. This is pretty standard. It works great. I don't really have much else to say about it. And then finally we have my favorite part of the tool bag is the cuticle serum. I think it is the best product that Olive & June has made, aside from their polishes. Basically works like some lip gloss that I used to have in the early 2000s, where it has a little like ball at the top where you rub the cuticle serum on, and then you twist this to crank it up and get the product at the top. And the reason why I really like this is not only because it's really fun to apply, but also because it's a very like gentle serum. As you can kind of see, it's not oily and it soaks in so nicely. Let's get into the polishes. So this collection has 7 polishes, and they're all pretty bright and summery, like a really fun rainbow. I've really liked using them so far, and you should check out my last video where I used all of the polishes together to create a rainbow ombre look. It was one of my favorite looks I've ever done. So this is Sweet and Gracious. Here's a better look. And I think that this is such a unique orange. It's looking a little bit more like yellowy on camera, but I would say this color is very similar to like macaroni and cheese powder, but in the best way possible. It's super unique, and I've never seen anything like it before. And then next we have Wild and Free. So this is a like peachy cream color. It is a little bit brighter in person than it looks on screen. Next one is Fierce and Loving. So this is a pretty standard lilac color, and again, it's very creamy, just beautiful overall. Nothing more to say. Next is Honest and True. This is a light blue, kind of perfectly like, looks like the sky. It's just really pretty. Next is Grateful and Kind. And this is a really pretty like bright creamy pink. It's almost the same color, I would say, as like the color that you see right above my head up here. Next is Bright and Focused. And this is like a creamy yellow. It looks a lot brighter again on camera. Okay, and finally we have Bold and Unshaken. And this is probably my favorite color of the collection. It's a super pretty, creamy, like royal, regal purple, but it's not, it's like a cross between like a lilac and like a grape color. So I wanna also swatch the colors so that you can see what they all look like on. So I'm gonna start with Bold and Unshaken. So I would say all of these colors need about 3 thin coats. So overall, I'm really loving this box this summer. I think the box is great, the colors are great, the tools are great, everything is really great. If you are going to get 1 or 2 items, I would suggest the cuticle serum because I think it's just so good and a very unique product. And then one of the polishes plus the top coat because they really kind of work together. If you've ever used Essie Gel Couture, it works in a similar way where the chemicals in the polish and the top coat work together to create a longer lasting polish on your nail. Overall, I think that this box is just a really great way to kind of package up all of the manicure materials that you need to do your nails at home. I really love Olive and June's mission of creating great nails for everybody and creating kits that allow you to do your nails from home. I also am going to be doing some more videos about easy nail art, and if you're interested in seeing anything from me in particular, please comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'd love to create more videos of what you want to see. Follow me on Instagram. My username is karanailedit. Let me know if you have any questions about the products that I use, or if you'd like to see anything else, I would be happy to share. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks.